Today is Saturday, March 10th. The time is 1:59 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011 Topps Supreme Football Break, break number 8. This break is sponsored by DCS Sports Cards. www.dcsportscards.com. Good luck, everybody. First card goes to the Vikings. Jared Allen, serial numbered 49 out of 429. I'm sorry, 59 out of 429. Next card goes to the Vikings again. Christian Ponder, rookie, serial number 79 out of 429. Next card goes to the Washington Redskins. Leonard Hankerson, autographed jersey. That's serial number 9 out of 20. And the last card, Mark Ingram, rookie, Saints, serial number 64 out of 75. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. If you guys check out my other eBay box breaks, ending today for 2010 football box breaks, I have both Crown Royale and Limited. Also listed for 2011 box breaks: Panini Gold Standard, Panini Crown Royale, Topps Inception, Panini Timeless Treasures, Panini Limited, Topps Triple Threads, and Panini Certified. Currently for 2011-12 hockey box breaks, I have Crown Royale, Panini Limited, and Panini Certified.